And lastly, do not forget. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips or a few hacks that will help you to redecorate your room. So I decorated my room like a year back, and it took me a lot of time to figure out what I should put in my room, what I should take away, what's looking nice, what is not looking nice, and honestly I'm still in the process of decorating my room. So I thought that I should give you guys a few tips that I learned throughout this year while I was decorating my room, to help you guys so that you guys don't make the same mistakes as I made, or you guys have an easier process when you're decorating your room. So let's get into the video. So the first tip to decorating your room is to put a wallpaper in your room. Now I would suggest to put a wallpaper on only one of the walls, because if you put a wallpaper on all the walls, it looks a little busy. So it looks better and way more cuter if you put a wallpaper on only one of the walls, the wall that you want to really highlight in your room. And a wallpaper instantly changes your room, adds character to your room, and it also kind of represents you and your style. It does make your room a lot more colorful, and it seems like a lot is going on in your room. So my tip number 2 to decorate your room is to add a mirror in your room. A mirror makes your room look much bigger, and if you put different mirrors of different shapes and sizes, then it does make your room look way better. And it's also great if you guys want to click OOTD pictures. So my tip number 3 is to add a lot of shelves to your room. So shelves add more space to your room and increase the decoration capacity, so you can do a lot more with your room in terms of decoration. Shelves can be like a single flat shelf, or it can be of different shapes and sizes, and it does make your room look way more aesthetic. My 4th tip is to add a lot of pictures to your room, because pictures make your room more personalized. So if put in a very aesthetic kind of manner, they can make your room look way more beautiful. I will insert some examples on how you can put your pictures in your room. Now if you have Polaroids, it's very easy to just decorate your room with those Polaroids, but if you don't, there is an app called Snap Store which delivers a hard copy of pictures to your home, so that it's easier for you to decorate your room with those pictures. My 5th tip is to put letterboards or frames that have quotes inside them in your room, because again, this makes your room more personalized. If put aesthetically, it can make your room way more beautiful, but at the same time it also gives you inspiration, because if you have these quotes always around you, they do stick to your mind. And to see how you can create frames which have quotes in them, you can refer to my previous video. I will link it in the description below. But if you want to buy letterboards, I will also link that in the description below. My last and the 6th tip is to add plants to your room, because it is very important to have greenery in your room. So if you are a plant person and have the patience to take care of real plants, well and good. If you don't, then artificial plants make the same impact. It makes your room more beautiful and pleasant to look at. They also have some other benefits like purifying the air and all that stuff that I'm not that knowledgeable about, so you can check that out on the internet. And lastly, do not forget to have a color scheme in your room, because that binds your room together. So this was it for today's video, and as you can see, I have implemented a lot of this stuff already in my room. So comment down below if you want to see a room tour, although my room is not yet complete and very messy, but I will clean it up if you guys want to see a room tour. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye!